How to park your car using two cameras. Simply install our adapter to seamlessly switch between factory and aftermarket cameras in your car. But is it worth cutting wires and voiding the warranty? Of course not, because you don't need to cut anything. Once you connect it, it will fit as if it was there all the time. Now let's take a closer look. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of the camera control adapter and show how you can switch cameras while driving. What's in the box? We securely package our adapter to prevent any damage during shipping. The package includes wire harnesses for connection and the adapter itself. The latest version now features a mini USB port for downloading updates and dip switches for easy setting adjustments. Each wire harness comes with 3 connectors. One for the car's head unit, one for the camera, and one for the adapter. The head unit has just one port for each connector, making the connection process straightforward. How to install. Now we will schematically show you how to connect our adapter to the head unit in your car. Here's how the system looks before we add the adapter. Head unit. Wheel button simulator. Power supply. This is how the factory cables with 10-pin and 28-pin connectors are plugged. First, unplug the 28-pin connector and connect the harness that comes with the adapter. Next, use another harness with a 10-pin connector. The "to monitor" label indicates which connector to use. Then connect another harness into this 24-pin port. At the other end, we have 2 connectors, white and gray. We use them to connect our adapter. On the back, you can see all the dip switch configurations for setting up the adapter in your car. Now, you definitely won't pick the wrong connector. These outputs are used for connecting the cameras, front camera and rear camera. And this one is to supply power to the front camera. Now let's see how it all works under the hood. This setup shows how the adapter connects within your car's system along with 2 cameras. As you can see, no cutting was involved. How to switch cameras. Automatic mode. By default, the image from cameras appears on the screen when you change gears. After shifting to reverse, you will see what is behind your car. While moving off or shifting to neutral, you will see what is in front of your car. The image from a front camera is displayed on the screen for 30 seconds or until you reach 20 kilometers per hour. In manual mode, using buttons on the steering wheel. To activate manual mode, press the mode button on your steering wheel twice. Now you can switch between cameras using the arrows. As you can see, it is simple and easy to use. To exit manual mode, simply press the mode button once. Please note, button configurations may vary by car model, so be sure to consult your user manual. Thank you for watching. We will be glad to answer your questions and find the right solution for you.